Everybody, in this video I will be showing you how to connect your Bitget wallet with the Catizen application. So all you have to do is to go to this earn option on the bottom left corner, and once you do it you will see a triple line triple dot option on the top right corner. So once you do it you will see that my wallet is already been connected with the Catizen application, but in order to connect my Bitget wallet I have to disconnect it. For disconnecting it, all you have to do is to tap on unlink button. So once you do it, just confirm the option and then press on the connect option. Here you will see that you have to go to the view all wallets option in order to find Bitget wallet, and here the Bitget wallet option is right in front of me. Just tap on it. Once you do it, it will be redirected to the Bitget application, and it will take some minutes in order to, or maybe some seconds depending upon your mobile application speed, in order to boot the Bitget application. So once it's been booted up, you will see an option saying that uh, how to connect your wallet. So all you have to do is to go and tap on connect all button on the bottom right corner. Just say approve and verify your identity using your fingerprint scanner. So once your fingerprint has been verified, you will see that your wallet will be connected with the Catizen application. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.